Looking for the best push mowers? In this video, we've selected the top push lawn mowers for easy, efficient, and clean lawn cutting. These reliable options deliver great performance, durability, and smooth handling for a perfectly maintained yard. Starting at number 1, Fiskars Push Mower. The Fiskars manual push mower is an eco-friendly lawn care solution featuring an 18-inch cutting width that requires no gas, oil, charging, or cords, making it 60% easier to push than traditional reel mowers. It boasts best-in-class cutting performance due to its inertia drive reel, which provides twice the cutting power of standard models, and the Stay Sharp cutting system eliminates the need for manual blade sharpening. Designed with superior ergonomics, the mower includes a reversible grass chute to direct clippings away from the user's feet, and a one-touch handle height adjustment for enhanced comfort and control. This mower is suitable for all types of grass, including tough southern varieties like St. Augustine, Zoysia, Bahia, and Bermuda, thanks to its VersaCut technology that offers adjustable cut height settings from 1 to 4 inches. Weighing 51.7 pounds and measuring 24 Ds by 23.5 Wesh by 14.25 H, it is a practical choice for regular lawn maintenance. Number 2, American Lawn Mower. The American Lawn Mower Company offers a manual 4-blade reel mower that features a cutting width of 14 inches and is constructed from durable alloy steel. This lightweight mower, weighing only 19 pounds, is designed for maximum maneuverability with its 8.5-inch polymer wheels, making it an excellent choice for small lawns. It operates manually and has an adjustable blade height ranging from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, effectively cutting grass up to 4 inches tall, although it may struggle with taller grass. The manual grass cutter is an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional lawn mowers, as it is pollution-free, noise-free, and low maintenance. The unique cutting action of the reel mower minimizes damage to grass blades, promoting healthier grass. For optimal results, it is recommended to mow no more than 1/3 of the grass blade height at a time. And if the lawn exceeds 4 inches in height, increasing the overlap while mowing can help maintain the health of the lawn. Number 3, Sunjoe Manual Push Mower. The Sunjoe Manual Mower is a highly efficient and user-friendly tool designed specifically for small lawns. With its easy push design, it features two 8.8-inch wheels and a 16-inch cutting width, allowing for smooth maneuverability and consistent coverage while mowing. This mower includes a 4-position manual height adjustment system, enabling users to customize cutting heights between 0.88 inches and 1.81 inches to suit their lawn care needs. Constructed with a durable alloy steel deck, it is built to withstand outdoor conditions while maintaining performance. Additionally, the mower comes equipped with a detachable 6.6-gallon grass catcher that collects clippings during use, simplifying cleanup and ensuring a neat lawn with minimal post-mowing effort. Sunjoe is known for its innovative and affordable consumer tools for various home and garden tasks, making this manual mower a reliable choice for lawn maintenance. Number 4, Greenworks 40V Twin Blade Mower. The Greenworks cordless 20-inch lawn mower is a battery-powered, lightweight solution designed for efficient lawn care, ideal for small to medium yards, up to ½ acre. With a cutting width of 20 inches and a weight of 42.5 pounds, it features a brushless motor that operates at a no-load speed of 6,000 RPM, providing up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4.0 amp-hour and 2.0 amp-hour battery. This mower is equipped with twin blades for superior cut quality, mulching, and bagging capabilities. Its auto-switch and smart cut technology enables seamless mowing by automatically adjusting power based on grass thickness. Additionally, the maintenance-free design eliminates the need for gas, oil, or emissions, ensuring quiet operation while delivering gas-like power for tough projects. With dimensions of 29.2 inches by 20.66 West by 19.5 H, this mower combines convenience and performance for an effective lawn care experience. Number 5, Sunjoe ION 16LM Lawn Mower. The Sunjoe Lawn Mower is a battery-powered model designed for efficiency and ease of use, eliminating the need for pull cords, gas, oil, and maintenance like tune-ups, while also reducing carbon emissions and avoiding tangled extension cords. It features a powerful brushless motor that enhances battery efficiency, maximizes performance, and minimizes noise and vibration, thereby extending the motor's lifespan. With a compact design suitable for small to mid-sized lawns, it offers versatile cutting options, including bagging and discharge chute functionality. The mower includes a 6-position height adjustment lever that allows users to customize the grass cutting height between 1.18 to 3.15 inches. Additionally, it is ETL approved and Energy Star certified, ensuring compliance with safety and energy efficiency standards. The product dimensions are 48.4 inches deep, 17.7 inches wide, and 42.9 inches high, with a total item weight of 37.3 pounds.